we start for yes.
Okay, which work you do here?
Nah, Shambales.
Okay, Shambales. That is linked to Sockeway.
Yes, sir.
Okay, tell our audience concerning the work.
Okay. This one Shambales linked to Sockeway. This one are the vet.
Okay, the event.
The event. This one here the pipe for go Sockeway. We call it this big pipe.
Okay.
Yeah, this one are the water for floor drain, for bath, for shower. Now here for enter this one. This one are the water side.
Okay. Okay, this one are the water side when you enter.
Yes.
So here now the sheet
that one
side.
The sheet side, yes.
Okay.
Now two lay.
What do you see with this one?
This one is toilet. This one I see a vet.
Okay, event.
Now here for enter the 6 inches pipe.
Okay. Okay, now this one is called elbow and T.
6 by 40. This one is the elbow, yes.
Okay. So yeah. So why you put this one down like this?
This one see the water toilet see there. The toilet for enter this 6 by 40.
Okay.
This one your fear access you put 45 degree.
Okay, the exit.
The exit.
Okay.
So I put 45 degree for here for the exit. This one are the water.
Okay, now the water be this.
Yes, sir.
That is the exit now in case of a block. I don't say not the block.
Yes.
Let me put the exit there.
This one now. So now rubber they put for here. So now the service like this one, the water.
Okay.
So I go change that one to this.
Okay, change that to this very one.
Yes, me exchange.
Okay, now this one will be the better one.
Yes. Sir.
Okay.
Small.
You guys know since yesterday you start this work.
Yeah, that's yesterday. I already even for sure yesterday.
Okay, right. Okay, hey, what be this one? I see one green pipe here.
Yeah. For the water will be this one.
Okay, what the
this
water?
One the water.
Okay.
Yeah, now yeah, the water for it Sockeway.
Okay, yeah, so be careful here.
Yes, small.
Yeah, now.
This one are the sheet. Now yeah, the sheet for it Sockeway.
Okay. Okay, now the pipe is this one.
Yes.
The pipe, okay, now all this one they go
the Sockeway.
The Sockeway.
Yeah.
Okay, here are the exits.
Yeah, this one are the exit for 4 inches. This one are the exit for 6 inches.
Okay.
This one are the waist for the 4 inches. So now the sheet be this one for the 6 inches be this one. This one are the waist for the 4 inches for water. Maybe this one.
The waist for the 4 inches for water. Okay.
Yeah.
This one is the toilet.
This one is the toilet.
Event.
Yeah. Now here for water the pipe.
Okay. And the exit be this.
The exit be this one. Yes.
Okay.
Now the water could be this one.
Okay. Now the water they go like that. Okay. Here now see water.
Exit for the water.
Okay.
So no say Akishi did this because of the oil. Exit go need to many.
What of here?
This one is this one are the kitchen.
Okay,
here
kitchen
the water
water.
Go for enter the pipe. Yes. Now the kitchen water go for enter the pipe where go Sockeway. This one are the pipe. Then I see another exit.
Okay, another exit. Okay.
Another pipe still there. This one is still another kitchen.
Okay, another kitchen. Okay.
Now yeah, this one for start.
Okay, now here this one for start. Where be this one? This one.
This one is still kitchen.
Okay, kitchen.
Yes. Now this Senai kitchen just there.
Okay. I see one pipe there.
Now this is the proof for the way I said the person may actually.
Okay, we show to that something we show me yesterday. Okay. Now here everything for finish.
Yes, now here the for finish.
Okay.
Remain the.
What remain?
No, that washer basin.
Okay, washer basin you want to do just now.
Yes.
Okay, so my people. Okay, plumber will take me around before do plumbing work here. I say Shambales lay to Sockeway. Is they almost true, but it never true with the work. So okay, plumber will be down there.
Yeah, Mr. Alice.
Alex the plumber man. Make I talk to you so many now somewhere. So Oga plumber they see the perfect color of pipe here. And they see green, and they see light green. But before that blue, we they see. Why you they use all this one?
And based on the thickness.
Okay, that is the blue not thick.
No, the blue where most blue where they yeah, that you know thick reach this one.
Okay.
Not to read this one.
Okay, not thick this one. So if they mash this one for gram now, you not go press.
You not go press at all. No.
You not go press.
No.
Wow.
No, they press. Okay. I make it go for balance so that in case person mistake press masher no go. Okay, because now that blue now as a masher like this.
Okay, go down.
Just go down. If you no call return.
Okay.
So that the tea you know compress so that you know affect the weight, the flow of the.
Okay, or the water or shit.
Yes.
Okay. So how the person contact you, Oga?
Through a talk show platform.
What you go like tell the person?
God will bless the person. God will give the person good health. Money no go be a problem. If you call for one, take go ask around.
Amen. So I already record you for Shambaless. Why people not gonna do Shamba? People are tell the same that Shamba will be the best.
For me, I know it don't the way I do Shamba. I no go advise any client where he come where me no me do Shamba.
Okay. Why?
The Shamba they quick block.
Okay, they quick block.
The plumber fit do away. The plumber involve Shamba where Shamba dey so he involve many workers. If it be say you where you do you plumber where you arrange for ground like this.
Okay.
I wish now Shamba now this thing if I know there.
Okay,
Where you arrange this place for ground like this where they will set. If it be say go set her small like this. And kitchen before you know you don't they accumulate.
Okay. Okay.
If it be say who I call cover now, as they cover smell where go for it inside, no go come out. It go make a block. Go block easily.
Okay.
So that one, I mean, for me, difference no they like they'll say that was cheap. No, this one is the best. If you don't do, if you see person where do a well for you, that balance to do a well, use better material. You know go get problem for your ass. Like the only thing you go get maybe your soccer way full, you pack her.
Okay.
For Shambaless.
You get some plumber. At the house they say Shambaless and Shamba what be the best. They say that Shamba they say because this one they block. Not true they not true to talk. I be no the work.
That one no. To me as I told just now for me, I no go any client where he come meet me, I no go advise I may do Shamba.
Okay.
You know guys me or take do Shambaless now say he block.
Okay.
You know if it possible.
That is for your own.
For my own. I know guys I'll take do Shambaless. They say he block. Because first year I go use thick pipe.
Okay.
If the only issue where you go cause say you do Shamba, maybe you use light pipe. As people they
as you match just now. As you match just like you
press.
Okay.
So maybe you see this place and they never plaster. Because what if they go on now? If you no use better material, workers now you know
they must
match where they no match. If they match affect the sloping.
Okay.
If you use better material, to me, Shambaless is the best.
Okay, Shambaless is the best.
It better pass Shamba 100%.
So Oga plumber, the Shambaless and the Shamba, which one economize money pass? You know fit do.
Na Shambaless economize for me. Na Shambaless economize money pass. This man contact me now. I don't do this work now. Say people dey this house, they'll feed the user.
They feed the user now.
Say they don't cover the sock away. As I they do now, say madam go the wash plate to go the cook go the shit, go shit. But if na Shamba, they say this thing now, you go give her time.
Make it dry. Your
bricklayer fit disappoint to say before I go call, I get work. If it be saying na 1 month, bush go enter. Before you know snake don eye for inside.
Okay, like this very one you dey do, you dey cover am.
See na where person where salty wa pass. Any place where salty wa for pass enter. This exit now, it get cover.
It get cover. That is true. That is that Shambaless na be the best. Na dey economize pass.
Is the best.
No, I think so say na be the best. It says that if na Shambaless, regular go do their own. Iron bed will come do their own.
This now you see sort they will more than.
Now they talk. You go do their own. Iron bed will cause you.
Yeah, even if you flood the copper, you know if you get your copper, no go fit get that 50.
Okay, no fit get 50 because of
you no fit get that 50. If they flood this thing now, they cut where floor worry. They cut. You only they see this black cover.
Exactly.
If you access, you remove the black. Your copper go bless you. No do sharp. You know
it
go neat.
Okay.
So
like how many days take you to do this work here?
Like this was so. Supply still there.
Okay.
So the person now go do boil.
Okay, good.
This
Okay, that be the supply way.
Maybe other source.
Okay, without never do that, but you know, connect this one.
The copper just say make they just.
Yes, it gets as the compound be. Okay.
If they do boil now, the supply drag will say I will call the supply journal, but now today making it 2 days.
Okay, 2 days. So like, how much cost you know to do this chamberless work?
The chamberless now 500,000.
But your workmanship.
Workmanship, transport, material.
Okay.
Everything.
So you will call your phone number when I stream from Federation?
070 67 411 82.
Call them again.
070 67 411 82.
Another number there?
And my WhatsApp number and my calling number.
So my people are greeting about time until they watch this video.